What's up, guys? For those of you that are new to the channel, I'm RJ. Welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that like and subscribe button for me, and I thank you for watching. So I decided to make this video to give a real life example of what the Khrome Werks 4.5 HP Plus sound like in a variety of different riding scenarios, like cruising, coming to a stop, decelerating, wide open throttle. I've searched YouTube and there aren't very many videos on these, so I decided to make my own. From what I could tell you, they are very, very deep. The deepest sounding slip-ons I've ever had. I've had Reinhardt's, Vance and Hines, the 4-inch, and Vance and Hines, also the Torquer for 450s also. Screaming Eagles, and I've also heard tabs with the zombie baffles. These are much deeper than those. Those are very loud, but they're on a different frequency. They're higher pitched, almost raspy compared to these. These are the deepest, gargliest, bassiest slip-ons I've ever had. I also bought the performance perforated baffles to put in. I don't think I'm putting them in. I like it just the way it is. I have noticed a nice throttle response. I mean, you're not going to notice anything too big just putting slip-ons, but I haven't noticed any decrease in power, so I'm going to leave these just like they are because they sound incredible. Absolutely incredible. Insane. I bought these with my own money. I'm not endorsed or sponsored by Khrome Werks, so take that as you will. And just to give you an idea of what it's on, this is a 2022 Street Glide CVO with a 117. There has been no work done to the engine aside from what the factory put on it. The only thing I've done is these slip-ons. So with that, enjoy.